Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I'm making a COVID care package. Someone that I know and care about has COVID and I need to take them some supplies to stay in isolation for a few days. This person happens to be vegetarian, so I'm not including any meat products. But anyway, let me just show you what kind of things I'm putting together. Okay, so one of the things that I'm bringing is a pack of Clorox wipes, disinfecting wipes, some cough syrup because this person has quite a cough right now, some CVS pain relief, acetaminophen. This is the generic version of Tylenol. Some Cepacol sore throat drops because this person does have a sore throat, and a thermometer so that they can keep track of their temperature. I've got some tea, some Kai tea, and some Tetley. This person likes these red hot peppers, so I got this. This is something they can add to their cooking. And then these ramen. So this will be an easy soup base because the name of the game here when this person is sick is easy. So maybe all of these things would not be ideal, full, complete menu items for full, well-rounded nutrition, but we're talking about ease of preparation right now. So then we've got these plant-based Nature's Promised patties. It's kind of like a hamburger except for it's all plant-based. Got some multi-grain tortillas. Now, don't worry about the expiration date. These have been in the freezer. You can freeze a lot of different kind of bread products, including tortillas. So this has been frozen. Also, this loaf of bread has been frozen, and this lemon poppy bread has been frozen. Then we've got some spaghetti noodles and some carrots and some white rice and sauce for the noodles. So we've got some pasta sauce and then some tikka masala curry sauce, which this person loves, which I suppose would go well with the rice. We got some mayonnaise, salsa, kidney beans, cream of mushroom soup. We've got some graham crackers, some maple brown sugar oatmeal, several bags of popcorn, and then we've got, I save these packets from restaurants when you don't use everything. I save them. So we've got some extra virgin olive oil this person can make meals with, and then some salad dressing. This is Chick-fil-A salad dressing and Carrabba's olive oil, but this will be good for salads or even wraps if this person wants to do that. This is some plant-based butter, great for spreading, cooking, and baking. So I imagine this person's gonna make some stir fries with the vegetables here. We have a green bell pepper, zucchini, some fancy organic lettuce, which if you saw, I got a lot of these vegetables out of one of my recent videos that I just posted about unboxing the Knox Produce Box surprise package, the vegetable surprise package. So a lot of these are coming from there, which is very timely. Eggplant, some baking potatoes. These are huge, like these are the size of my hand. Those are really nice. An onion, and then several ears of corn. Okay, so it's a strange season of life that we all live in nowadays right now with the coronavirus going around, also known as COVID-19, but we all need to try to take care of ourselves and each other. So hopefully this inspires you that if you know someone with COVID and they're in isolation, these are things that you can take to them. You can make arrangements with them, text them or call them, and then leave these items at their doorstep. And then you leave and drive away, and then after you leave, they come outside and collect your box of items or bags that you left for them. That way you can help each other, but not share germs, not breathe the same airspace. So thank you all for watching today. I hope that was inspiring. Let me know if you know anyone with COVID, how they're doing. I hope everyone is staying healthy or at least recovering if you've been sick. And let us know how you coped and what things that you did to cope during that time. Thanks. I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it.